and welcome back to the channel for another episode of Vision Homes Jetski Adventures. Today we head out and it's longtail season, pelagic season. So pretty much you're looking for the water temperature to be about 26 degrees. So once it gets to about 26 degrees, pelagics come out and we're lucky enough to pick up the first longtail of the season. So we're going to head out, show you the episode. Quick plug for Tackleworld. They always look after me. Just had to get another transducer, the original Fish Pro transducer. Went in the ski, so they always look after me here. Thanks to Jared and the guys at Tackleworld. Longtail! First longtail of the season.